Okay, in this lecture, we will learn about how we put a specific area for a text to CGI programming. The text area element is used when a multi-line text has to be passed to a CGI programming. Here is a simple HTML coding for form a text area box. In here, you have a choice to use a post method or a get method. You can also use the post method or get method to introduce a text area. Now, this is a simple coding of HTML. Let's see that the form action is started and cgi.ben put here in a text area .py put the methods, post methods or get methods, and our target should be always blank. The text area name is text area, like columns should be 4, and a row should be a 4. You can change here like 44 and like 14th. Type of text in here, the input user text here like this, then text area close, then submit options and submit options close, then a form close as the form is started. Now let's do a practical example in Python. Okay, in this tutorial we create a text area and give a blank rows and the column in which input user can text and can write everything which he want. Like the last lecture we did the same things, and like in the first step we have also form in action, that you can see that form in actions, and a cgi.ben, and I put a text area.py. This is a module related to the CGI programming, and put the name of the method is a post methods, and the target should be always blank. And now the text here like this here, that input user that can text here, and you can see that this is the input type, so input user can text everything which you want, and put a column in here and a row also in here if you want to produce 20 columns and like 20 rows. So I changed this is not a big deal. And input user, you can see that right here, and close the text area, and for submit value write this and close the form. Okay, let go to our Chrome and open this, and you can see that a system automatically give a text area like this, and you can also write what you want, like I'm a student, how are you, that if it's short. So you can also change the number of column in here, like if you want to produce a 120 columns and 120 rows. If we again run this program, then this give me a huge area as compared to any other like this. Yeah, you can this me like a huge area which want to write here.